as hosts of Davis Cup finals from 2025 to 2027. Thanks for joining us on the news this hour. I am Nifemi Oguntoye. We'll start off at the nation's capital, where an FCT High Court sitting in Apple has granted an order of final forfeiture of an estate of the federal government. The application for forfeiture was filed by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission in view of Section 17 of the Advanced Fee Fraud Act. Senior reporter Celestina Area reports.
Since its establishment in 2002, this is the Commission's single largest recovery. This estate, located in Lukogoma, contains over 740 buildings of terraces, duplex, block of flat, and semi-detached duplex. From the master plan, it is to also have a school and a shopping mall. The Commission had, through an application filed before the court, argued that it had reasonable suspicion that the property have been acquired or developed with process of unlawful activities pursuant to Section 17 of the Advanced Fee Fraud Act. On 1st November 2024, Justice Jude Onwebuze of the FCT High Court Appeal granted an order of interim forfeiture for the estate, which measures 150,500 square meters. The interim order was to be published in any widely read national newspaper to enable any of the interested party appear before the court to show cause within 14 days, while the final order of forfeiture of the property sought to be forfeited should not be made in favor of the federal government. Now, the court has granted an order for final forfeiture of the property said to belong to a top government official. The Commission is keeping the name of the owner under wraps until it is safe to do an all-blown-out exposure. An order of final forfeiture gives right to the federal government over the property. With this order of final forfeiture, the EFCC has not taken possession of this property. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.
We'll be back at the court later in the bulletin, but let's turn our attention now to the National Assembly, where Speaker of the House of Representatives, Abbas Tajuddin, says the Parliament is determined to grant full and operational autonomy to local government councils. He was represented by Deputy Speaker Benjamin Kalu at the National Dialogue on Local Government and Constitution Amendment. Jokadisa has more.
The July 11, 2024 landmark judgment of the Supreme